Good afternoon, fellow agents. Chris May out of the Johns Creek office here. I've been asked to do a video tutorial on how to enhance your listing through Coldwell Banker's backend NRT system or Realogy system. What this does is I have additional pictures besides the 36 or 40 that go onto the both multiple listing services that I want to push out to all the websites. So all the websites will show more than those 40 pictures. I also have a video that I want to showcase on the property to make sure all the websites that have a place for a video will actually see that. And then I also have extended remarks that are longer than the 575 characters that we're allowed to do in MLS. So if you have extended remarks and you enhance your listing, even those extended remarks will go out to all the 900 websites. So I've not rehearsed this. Bear with me if I stumble and stutter a little bit. So I'm just trying to show you in real time how long this is actually going to take. And I'm going to start with taking the video and uploading it. So if you have a YouTube, if you have a Gmail account, then you automatically have a YouTube channel. And the way you get to your YouTube channel is if you look in the top right part of my screen here, these 9 little squares, you click on those and it opens up this menu here. You click on YouTube and it takes you over to your YouTube channel. Then I'm going to go up here and hit my channel in the top right corner, and you're going to go to upload button right here in the top right corner, this little up arrow, and you simply click on this arrow right here and you go into your hard drive and you find the video that the videographer or photography company that you hired to do it um, gave you, and you download it into a folder in your computer. And I keep all mine in my real estate folder under videos, and mine is this 140 Plantation Boulevard. So I'm going to upload this video, and while that's uploading, I'm going to grab my public remarks, my extended remarks, which I've got in a Microsoft Word document right here. So I do a Word document that shows the address as well as the Georgia MLS 768 character description. I did a real short one there, and I just told my office I was the same description for there, did my directions and my private remarks. And then I did a extended remarks right here on that property. So I've already done this. Let's try and make it a little quicker for you. So I'm going to grab this whole extended remark and I'm going to copy it. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to drop it into this description window in YouTube. See, our video is still uploading while we're working here. Then I'm also going to do something that I've been told is required by GREC, is the very first line of your description in your YouTube description of your video has to say listed by Chris May, or your name obviously, with the brokerage name Coldwell Banker Residential Brokerage, and I put Johns Creek for me office. Can't type this morning. And you must include the phone number. So I put office. Let's see, I'll put my cell first. No, I'm going to do the office first. 770. Hold on, somebody is texting me. I'm trying to clear my phone here real quick. Let's see, 770-623-1900 and cell. So your name, brokerage name, contact information must be included in the first line. Then you can do the rest of this description below that. I have playlists in my YouTube channel. You probably don't need it just because I have some training videos and things like that. So I add this video to my listings playlist. Then you can add some keywords here that if you want this video to pop up and when someone searches the web for, say this house is in Stockbridge, homes for sale. So if somebody searched the web for that, this listing will come up. I always put my name in here. Real estate. That's not super important. I'll add some more of these later. Just want to show you what that's for. It's already generated the link that this video will be available on. So I'm going to copy this link for a minute. I'm just going to come over here and just in case I forget I've copied it, and I'm just going to drop it in this Word document for a minute so I don't lose it. And it's already 76% uploaded. I can do a custom thumbnail. I've already created that. So I'm going to come over here and find that custom thumbnail. Sellers, listed, photos. It's one of those two. I'm going to do this one. Now, I do custom thumbnails, but once this video is finished uploading, down here in this lower level here, right next to where I just put this thumbnail, YouTube will automatically create 3 or 4 thumbnails, just randomly picking some screenshots out of the video once it sees what the video looks like, and then you can select one of those thumbnails, or it'll automatically assign one. So again, that's not super important. All right, so I've already copied my YouTube link. Now we're going to go into NRT. Let me refresh this page, make sure I'm still signed in. And we're going to enhance this listing, meaning we're going to add the additional extended remarks, we're going to add the video, we're going to add the extended numbers of pictures that I want to go out to all websites. So you log into your Realogy, get to these buttons, come down here and click Coldwell Banker Homes Admin. It's signing me in again. I guess I wasn't signed in before. All right, and then up here you go to Listings, My Listings, and you're going to see this listing, all your listings, twice because this is pulling a feed from Georgia MLS and FMLS. So you're going to have to enhance the same listing twice because you have to do it on each feed. So I'm going to click this first one. It's got 36 pictures. All right, and then when I add the video, that's a media type. So you expand this media classification. I'm going to edit the media classification. I'm going to add a piece of media. I'm going to hit the drop down list and do video tour, which is what my video is. And I'm going to paste that YouTube link that I had a moment ago. This box will automatically be marked as display on the web. And then I'm going to save that. Now, if you notice, we'll go up here to the description. And this is what it's pulling from MLS right now. But I want to extend on that. So I'm going to hit edit. And I'm going to say override MLS. Some websites have a place for what's called a headline. So I usually just put something key about the product that you want to draw attention to. Say it's listed at appraised value or close to the Atlanta Beltline. Just come up with an outline that you or headline that you think is appropriate for your property. I usually just put don't miss the video. And then I'm going to come in here to my remarks. I'm going to grab those extended remarks like I did a minute ago. Copy. And I'm going to highlight all these and I'm going to paste over the top of them. And then I'm going to hit save. So now we've already done 2 out of 3 of those things. It's got the video, it's got the extended remarks. Now all we need to do is add the additional pictures. So you do that by coming up here in the top left. I know I'm moving fast, people, because I want you to see in real time how long this actually takes. In reality, probably only going to take about 10 or 15 minutes once you know how to do it. So in this video, what I would recommend is just play a few minutes of the video. Oh, got a phone call coming in. Play a few minutes of the video and pause it and then go over and do this and then come back and play this video for a few more seconds and do it in that fashion. All right, so we're going to add our additional pictures. You can see there's 36 here right now. So I'm going to hit edit photos, and automatic means it's pulling it from Georgia MLS. I mean, it's pulling it from whatever MLS service it's getting the feed from right now, but we're going to click on custom. It's warning me, it's telling me the difference between automatic and custom. Custom means I'm going to customize my pictures. That's what I'm going to do. So you can either hit add photo there or you can come here and hit add photo at the bottom. So this is what's already there. So I'm going to click on Add Photo, and I'm going into my photos, which I've already arranged here. So I have them numbered from 1 through 40, which is what the MLS holds. So I know on this particular one, this is the pool shot. That was the last photograph that we just saw. I'm going to cancel this. See, here's the pool. This is the last photo that this particular website's got. So when I hit Add Photos, I'm going to come in here and I'm going to find that pool shot, which is number 36. And then I'm going to grab number 37 all the way down to number 83. And I'm going to add all these photos, and it's going to take it a minute. So I'm going to pause this video just for a few minutes while it's uploading these pictures. Actually, it may be done already. No, it's uploading right here. So I'm going to just stop right here for a minute. Just let this thing finish uploading. Actually, it's already done, so we're good. So I kind of like the order of these just because I already went through the pictures and put them in the right order I wanted. If you haven't done that ahead of time, you can certainly take these and drag them. You just put your cursor on the top of the bar of one of these pictures and take it until you get the little crosshairs like the 4 arrows, and just take that picture and drag it over here, and you can just move these around and put them in whatever order you want them. I'll move that one back to the end, and I'm going to hit Save and Publish. See in the bottom right corner here, it's saving. We'll give it just a second. Still saving. So we're going to go through this exact same process on the next listing that's pulling it from the other MLS. All right, so that one's saved. So in order, you can't really go back, so you're going to have to come up here and hit Listings. Go back to My Listings again. Here they are. We did the top one. Now we're going to do the second one. And I'm going to go through the exact same process. This page has still got to load. There it goes. So we grab our media classification, we edit it, we add media type, change this to video tour, come over here and grab my YouTube link, copy, paste, save, come over here and grab our extended description, copying, expand upon the description, hit edit, hit override, paste your extended description, put your headline in, hit save, come up here to the top, hit edit photos, change it to custom. Yes, I want to customize it. Hit add photo. Oh, I gotta cancel this, see what the last picture was I had on this one. That one is the master tub right here. So I'm gonna grab from the master tub, which is here. So I'm gonna grab all these, plus a couple after the tub. Where was the tub? Where's the tub? I lost the tub. Where'd my tub go? Oh, there it is. So I gotta grab this one and this one. Choose. It's going to upload those, watching this right here. And that is essentially how you enhance your listing. I'm going to go through one other quick step that you may or may not do in yours, but I'm going to show you the, I'm going to save and publish this, what this does to your Coldwell Banker website for this particular home. Waiting for it to finish saving. So what I do is I have a whole nother video tutorial on how to do it, but I actually go purchase the domain name that is the address to the home. So for this particular home, I've already gone over to GoDaddy.com and I've purchased 140plantation.com. So what I'm going to do is, since what I put in here goes out to 900 websites, I'm going to try and take the web traffic. Oh, it didn't fill that in, did it? There we go. I'm going to try and get the web traffic on 900 websites to come back over to my Coldwell Banker website, because I'm the only agent they can contact on that page versus, other agents advertising on our listing. So what I come back and do is put the very first line on this property that says something like YouTube video and additional info available on 140 Plantation, and I'm going to spell out DOTCOM, because if you actually put a web link in here, some of the websites will not allow links to any other website. So they will either remove your remarks or they will remove your listing. And the way they know you've put a web link in there is they recognize the www and they recognize the .com. But if you spell out .com like this, a human being knows that you don't really write that out, that they're actually just going to go to the 140plantation.com like they normally do, but the computers don't pick it up that that's a web link, and that's how you can drive traffic back to our website. So let's see if this is really what I want to say. YouTube video and additional info. How about I'm going to do extensive photos. All right, and then I'm going to save. Actually, I'm going to copy this because I still have to do this to the other one also. Control C, save. All right, so that's that one. Going back, I'm going to do the same thing to the next one, and then we're done, and I'm going to show you the results. See right here, now we have 83 pictures. Edit the description. That one didn't take either. Pasting. This is what I just added. And I'm going to save it. So it's all saved. So now, if we go to this listing, all right, so here's our video. So I came away from this page a minute ago because we had this link generated, so we just put it in all the places it needs to be. But it says processing is done. Now I'm going to publish this video. And now that'll be on my YouTube channel. Now you can also grab the link from here once it's finished published and uploading. So now if we go to, this is the Coldwell Banker Homes web link that we get with all of our listings to show it. So this is what it looked like before I enhanced my listing. It only had the 40 pictures and the short description of the property that it was pulling from MLS. It did not have the video, it did not have the extended remarks, it didn't have 83 pictures. So now all I'm going to do is I'm going to refresh this page and watch what happens. Now we have 83 pictures. What I put into the public remarks, read more, it's all extended, and this is driving traffic back to my web domain. All right, and there's the video that it uploaded also. All right, so now what you could do is you could go over to, you could go over to GoDaddy.com, purchase the domain name that is the address, like I did here at 140plantation.com. And when you do this, 900 websites are now going to be taking traffic and bringing them back to this page here. Because I've got, watch what I type in up here. If I go www.140plantation.com and I hit enter, oops, going to make me look bad. What's going on here? Oh, there's two HTTPS's here. That's what's going on. All right, so that tells me I've got a bad link. All right, so let me show you how I did that. I'm going to fix a problem here, a little out of the ordinary here. So, like I said, I went to GoDaddy to purchase the domain name. So we're going to go there, and I'm going to log in to my domains. It's asking me to log in. Now I've already bought this, and I do have a tutorial on how to buy your domain name and point your domain name or forward your domain name over to your Coldwell Banker website. So here it is, Plantation Boulevard, plantation.com. And I'm going to manage my connection. And I'm forwarding, and here's my problem. I have two HTTPS's in here, and I shouldn't do that. I just didn't catch it when I forwarded it to begin with. So I'm going to hit edit, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of these out of here, and I'm going to save it. So that's how you forward your domain name in GoDaddy. Is all I did was I went and got, I've already closed my window. I went and got my domain name, my domain link for this property on Coldwell Banker's website by doing this right here. Just go to Coldwell Banker Homes and put the address in for your listing. Click on it, search it, and here's that listing. Come up here to the top and highlight that entire web address and copy it. And then you go over here to your forwarding, or you're managing your forwarding on that domain name. And just like you saw me a second ago, I put that web link in there. And forwarded 140 Plantation over to my Coldwell Banker site right here. So I clicked on Plantation. And everything's already done. So that's how you enhance your listing. And this is what it does for you. It puts 83 pictures, extended remarks, video on your Coldwell Banker site. But then all of this is also going to be pushed out to the 900 websites. And I hope that helps. Call me if you have any questions, 404-803-4669. And I hope that helps. Have a good day.